Hey guys, how's it going? I think I'd do a really quick video today talking about query string parameters in React. And realistically, this isn't just for React. This can work for a lot of different frameworks for JavaScript, but right now I'm using React. So I have this component set up here. I'm working on a website called nftify.org. If you guys want to check it out, it's to work with NFTs and interact with NFTs on the Theta blockchain. You can mint NFTs there. Bunch of cool stuff, and of course we're building out more and more. But anyways, enough with that here. What I want to do right now here is I have this page set up, and really it should be testing. Right, this is the page I have set up right now. And if I put on some query string parameters, like, I don't know, if we're trying to make a new account or do something with somebody's account, this information would be useful, right? And how do I interact with this information in the page here? Well, it's pretty simple. If I go back to my Visual Studio Code here, basically I just have this set up right now, this component to mount here. If you're not familiar with this method, basically it runs automatically when the component mounts the page here. So if I just put in some information and I save this here, and I go back, you can see console, even though I'm not calling this method anywhere else in the code. It's called automatically, right? Pretty simple. So I'm going to remove that here. And basically it's a two-step process. It's pretty simple. We're going to say const, and we're going to say search params. And this is going to be equal to new URL search params. And you can see it's already suggesting it right there. New URL search params. And we're going to say window.location.storage. I spelled something wrong with storage. I'm sorry, not storage, search. I saw storage being suggested from there. My brain got a little mixed up, but that's okay. Anyways, and then we're going to say const, and we're going to say info equals object. So we're taking object from entries. We're taking this information here, and we're going to kind of parse through a little bit here. We're going to say search params. So again, this information right here, and then we say dot entries, and we're going to call this like a method. And then we say console.log, and we can say info from here. And we're going to save this. We can see that we have no errors in the terminal down below. If I go into my page here, we can see we have account equals 123, and that's now in my console here, and I can access different parts of that, right? If I want to just get the account, of course I could say account, whatever, still works. Now I just get that from there. If I want to tack on more, I could say something like and, maybe we're putting out a request to verify their account or something like that there. Whoops. Get rid of that. Enter. Back to my code here. Remove this part. Save. All right, sky's the limit here. You can do so many different things with this here. So that's how we get information from the query string parameters into our React application, or really any application with JavaScript. All right, again, it's just mainly these two lines of code, and then once you do that, you are good to go. If you guys learned something, if you learned something, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.